Vedas are nothing just works of cunning priest. This is not my saying. This was said by Charvak. And Charvak was a materialistic school of Indian philosophy. Let's understand from basic. And we divide Indian philosophy into two different categories: orthodox, heterodox. Heterodox school of philosophy basically deals with, they don't believe in Vedas. And here, orthodox one, they believe in Vedas. The heterodox school are Jainism, Buddhism, and Charvak. And on the other side, we have Sankhya, Nyaya, and Visheshek, Patanjali, etc. And to understand Charvak, you need to understand, like, his core philosophy was eat, sleep, be merry. He denied the concept of God. He denied the concept of soul. He even denied the fact that Ved means anything, like. So let's, and by this, he was heavily criticized by the other schools of philosophy. And let's understand first why he was criticized so much. He was criticized so much because of the fact, see, for you to understand this, you need to go back into time. In Vedic period, there was a, like, there were prayers to Indra, these things. But in later Vedic period, there was concept of rituals. And for you to conduct rituals, you need someone who is well known of rituals, which was priest. And the priest culture grew from there. And he was against it because he has a valid point. क्योंकि जो बेचारा गरीब है, the people who belongs to, like, I'm not saying the caste system, but who is not financially stable, he or she would not be able to afford the priest. So it created disharmony. And for this, he criticized that there is such, there's no thing such as God. Body is the only, see, for him, matter is the only knowledge, or your matter is the only reality. And for you to understand his philosophy, we will deal it with three ways. The first is epistemology, the theory of knowledge. And for you to understand theory of knowledge, we will divide this also into two parts: Praman and Prama. Praman means source of knowledge, and Prama means the actual or true knowledge. Let's understand also. See, for Praman, we have different sets. Like, we have four sets, not set, four ways: perception, inference, confusion, or comparison, and verbal testimony. But Charvak only accepted perception is the only reality. He denied inference, verbal testimony, and comparison. And why he denied it? He said, जो तुम देखते हो वही reality है. There's nothing, a concept such as soul. So by his, like, during his criticism, he was said bearded blanket man with a mole, like, it was the same. And he said, like, what is perception? Let's understand what is perception. Perception is nothing that what we see or we gain. And what is inference? Inference is, in हिंदी में उसे कहते हैं अनुमान. एंड अनुमान तुम कैसे लगा सकते हो? You can only get through some logical reasoning and for you to understand inference. I'll give you example. Imagine कि एक पहाड़ पे तुम धुआं देख रहे हो. What would be your first thought? The first thought would be कि वहां पे आग लगी है. But how did you conclude that कि वहां पे आग लगी है? By smoke. But it doesn't mean always कि जहाँ पे smoke होगा वहां पे आग होगी. There may be a smoke, but there is, and similarly that is deductive inference. And the other one, he said कि like believe तुमने एक पूरा प्रमाण ही दे दिया है कि जहाँ पे धुआं है वहां पे आग होगी ही. बट उस पहाड़ पे लाइक अगर तुम जिस पहाड़ पे खड़े हो तो तुम्हारा परसेप्शन है कि तुमने वो आग देखी, तुमने बिलीव करा कि वो आग वहां पे है. बट दैट डजेंट मीन कि वो हर पहाड़ के लिए कहीं ना कहीं एप्लीकेबल होगी. सो ही सेड इन्फेरेंस doesn't have proper proof or proper way of, like he basically meant inference was not trustworthy. Later on you will realize कि his actual theory is also based on inference. That was the criticism of Charvak by other schools. Now here's, I was reading something. Yeah, metaphysics. Metaphysics deals with the reality, and he said that the body is the ultimate reality, which means, and for every philosophy the question arises कि अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो कि मतलब तुमने भगवान का ही एग्जिस्टेंस अगर तुमने डिनाई कर दिया है तो किसने बनाया, किसने बनाई सब कुछ सारी चीज़ें. तो ही सेड कि वर्ल्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ 4 एलिमेंट्स. एंड आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग इट. हिज कोर फिलॉसफी इज सिंपल. जो भी हम देख सकते हैं, जो भी हम परसीव कर सकते हैं वही रियलिटी है, उससे अलग कुछ नहीं है. एंड फॉर दिस हिज कोर फिलॉसफी डिनाइड मेनी थिंग्स सच एज कि जिन्हें तुम परसीव ही नहीं कर सकते हो, लाइक सोल वी कांट परसीव इट, तो उसने रिजेक्ट ही कर दी है वो पूरी की पूरी. गॉड वी कांट परसीव इट, तो उन्होंने उसने रिजेक्ट कर दी है सारी की सारी चीज. तो ही सेड कि वर्ल्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ 4 एलिमेंट्स: फायर, अर्थ, वाटर, एयर. ही एक्सक्लूडेड BA MS में ना पर एक सब्जेक्ट होता है पदार्थ विज्ञान, उसमें you get to learn about पंच महाभूत, एंड वो तुम्हारे को इतना वो भी नहीं है काम का. तो आकाश को उसने रिजेक्ट कर दिया था क्योंकि बिकॉज वी कांट परसीव ईथर और आकाश. सी जब ये चीज़ हो गई है तो अगला क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है कि वी हैव अ परफेक्ट कॉन्शियसनेस, नॉट परफेक्ट बट वी हैव अ वेल डेवलप्ड कॉन्शियस. तो वेयर डिड the conscious arise, how it arised. तो he said कि conscious are the result of combination of 4 elements. Like he said कि जो अपना element है 4 elements है, they individually don't have anything, but when they come together they form something which is consciousness. And उसका ये तो बेसिक चीज़ है कि तुम कहोगे कि 4 एलिमेंट्स की एक एक की तो कोई अपना कॉन्शियस नहीं है, बट टुगेदर दे हैव अ कॉन्शियसनेस. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कि तुम पान खाते हो, बेसिक लीफ के कोई अपना पान थोड़ी है, उसमें बहुत सी सारी चीज़ें बनती है तभी जाके वो पान बनता है. सो अगेन देयर इज नो गॉड बिकॉज वी कांट परसीव इट. और उसका एक और रीज़न भी था कि ही सेड कि वी डोंट नीड गॉड, क्योंकि वाई डू वी नीड गॉड टू रन थिंग्स. बट नेचुरलिज्म और पॉजिटिविज्म कि फिलॉसफी के थ्रू नेचुरलिज्म मीन्स कि जो नेचर का एक सर्टेन सेट ऑफ रूल्स है, या सर्टेन सेट ऑफ रूल्स तो नहीं कहेंगे बट अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ लाइक we have nature, like world has its own nature, world have its own way to do things, but it doesn't mean कि भगवान उसे करा रहा है, नहीं. And positivism means कि observable phenomena which we perceive. So he said that कि जब कोई नीड ही नहीं है चलाने की, क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें तो फोर एलिमेंट चला रहे हैं, तो वी डोंट नीड गॉड, क्योंकि द ओनली पर्पस वी नीड गॉड कि यू कैन से टू रन वर्ल्ड, बट इट इज रनिंग ऑन इट्स ओन बाय इट्स ओन नेचर. तो ही सेड कि देयर इज नो नीड टू इट. अगेन इट इज एथिक्स. he said कि वही बेसिक core philosophy, eat drink and be merry. See, heaven or hell should not be the goal of life. The goal of life is to enjoy, be materialistic. कुछ नहीं रखा है, just be materialistic. Sorry, मेरा फोन गिर गया था अभी. See, the goal of life is pleasure. But he, like again, he doesn't mean कि life only have pleasures. नहीं. Life is between pleasure and pain. He said, do not focus on pain. Focus on pleasure because it is worthless. It doesn't have any meaning to it. See, his contribution was very phenomenal. He saved Indian philosophy from, there's a term for it. I'm forgetting that term. See, basically what he contributed, that he relieved or he saved Indian philosophy from set of rules, जो कि बिलीफ ऑफ रूल्स, की तुम्हें बिलीफ ऑफ रिचुअल्स जो कि तुम्हें करने होते थे. तो हिज फिलॉसफी गेव अ वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल रिजल्ट ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग ट्रैप्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डूइंग रिचुअल्स. सी, चारवाक बेसिकली वॉज अ रेडिकल philosophy, like he, this philosophy had radical approach. But now if we, अगर ये इतनी ही बढ़िया philosophy है तो why it was criticized? Because the core philosophy of Charvak is based on inference. See, he said कि perception is the only reality, but how did he know? He got to know from inference. उसने भी तो एक अनुमान ही लगाया होगा कि perception is the only reality. And there's also a criticism by the Kama Sutra story. See, Vatsanya, I am forgetting name, but he said कि we have 4 पुरुषार्थ: अर्थ, धर्म, कर्म और मोक्ष. ही, तुम खुद ही गेस कर सकते हो कि उसने क्या चूज करी होगी. ही चूज कि he accepted only earth or kama. Kama means pleasure, but he rejected dharma or moksha. And by dharma she means values. तो why, तब उसे चूज ही करना था. And Vatsanya told that we need 3 to survive. Like either you need earth, dharma or karma, either you need other 3. तो she said कि life without values is a animal life. Like we have radical approach, we have radical thinking, तो it should be ethical or moral. Ethical or moral, ethical and moral, which called dharma, but he didn't accepted it. So that was Charvak, and I have a simple question कि, and one thing also I remembered, तो फिर उसकी नज़रों में मोक्ष क्या हुआ? उसकी नज़रों में डेथ इज लिबरेशन. सी, कभी बाद में करेंगे वो क्वेश्चन.